So we had a bag from a rotisserie chicken that we had not taken out this morning, and I've now put it on the counter here. But this face looks a little guilty because I couldn't find the bag at first, and the bag was ripped up. So even though I've already brought the bag downstairs, we're going to go upstairs to the scene of the crime and see what Petey has to say about this. Oh no, what is that on the floor? What did you do? Don't crawl over here. What did you do? Did you eat the chicken? That was bad. That was bad, Petey. What did you do? Huh? Don't come over here. I'm mad at you now. What did you do? Did you eat that chicken? Huh? What did you do? That was bad. What are you doing? You going under my legs to say, that was bad? Are you sorry? Huh? You're trying to say you're sorry? What are we going to do now? That was bad, Petey.